Assalamualaikum and a good day to Dr. Intan, fellow traders, investors, and prospectors. I'm Badru Hisham and I'm going to share with all of you on my findings on my stock selection today. First, let's take a look in this chart here. Ladies and gentlemen, this is known as the Standard & Poor's 500 or simply as S&P 500. It's a stock market index that tracks 500 large companies listed on stock exchange in the United States. It is one of the most commonly followed equity indices. Second, this is a Dow Jones Industrial Average, Dow Jones, or simply known as the Dow. It is a price-weighted measurement stock market index of 30 prominent companies listed on the stock exchange in the United States too. The third chart here is the DAX. DAX is a German stock index that consisting of the 30 major German blue chips companies trading on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange. It is a total return index. And the last chart here is known as the Nikkei. The Nikkei 225 on the Nikkei stock average is more commonly known as the Nikkei, is a stock market index for the Tokyo Stock Exchange. So, ladies and gentlemen, why do I show all of these major stock indices from all continents? I would like you guys to see the differences and compare it to our Malaysia stock market index. Let's take a look. This is the FTSE Bursa Malaysia KLCI. FKLI is a ringgit Malaysia denominated FTSE Bursa Malaysia Kuala Lumpur Composite Index Futures contract which traded on Bursa Malaysia derivative and has been providing market participants to the exposure of the underlying FBM KLCI constituent. So we know that due to the COVID situation, MCO that has been enforced in Malaysia, the announcement of the first few hundreds of cases of COVID-19 came to government attention in early 2020. Malaysia swiftly decided to implement a strict lockdown known as MCO 1.0, halting all businesses operation deemed as a non-essential, effectively impacting small to medium enterprise and halted export production. Sadly, the MCO is still on and forth until today. So, ladies and gentlemen, we could see here the FKLI is clearly on the bearish market. Even if you take a look on the longer time frame, it's on a bearish market. Compare it to the major stock indices here. I'm going to hide the drawings a bit so that we're not going to get confused. So let's take a look here. The major stock indices has been bullish. However, the FKLI is on bearish mode. So, hence, aligned with that, we could see that the market has been bearish. So, what is our trading opportunities that we will take a look? As per mentioned earlier, only essential businesses are allowed to operate. Hence, let's take a look into the telecommunication industries, since the business is considered as essential. Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look here on this chart. So I have prepared a few selection stock choices that we could invested in. First is Telecom Malaysia Berhad. Second is Maxis. Third is DG. Fourth is Axiata, or known as Celcom. Okay, so the obvious bullish market is TM. We could see that after a few consolidation on COVID cases, prices has increased since that, and we could see that TM has been fundamentally important in providing fiber packages, which is internet services to Malaysian household. And on top of that, they also have mobile services. So this has supported their core business lah. Okay, so when can we buy this stock? I'm gonna put some, hold on, yeah. Just give me 1 minute. So what is our recommendation today? Our recommendation is for us to buy the stock at the 5 ringgit and then with the stop loss is on 4 ringgit 30 cents, and the max TP take profit is on 9 ringgit 72 cents. So ladies and gentlemen, it's a 6 risk reward there, 6.11. So it's a very good opportunity and it's very lucrative offers lah. So as a conclusion, we suggested for the investors today to invest in Telecom Malaysia Berhad, as we could see the future growth in this company, as well as to the uncertainty of the market of the COVID situation. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.